Hello friends, welcome to the Noura's Kitchen.
Just 5 minutes, try this recipe. Today we are going to make fried chicken curry.
Fried chicken curry.
Let's start. Add half cup cooking oil. Add 1 tablespoon paprika powder. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix all together. Add 7/5 OGM chicken pieces. Five minutes once turn the chicken. 5 minutes once turn the chicken and fry until golden and crispy. Keep our yummy fried chicken aside. Chop 2 big onions. Add into the chicken fried oil. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Add the spices. Add mint and coriander. 1 chopped tomato. Mix it. Other bowl, add 3 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon paprika powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix it all. Add half cup water, mix and add into the pan. Cook 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried chicken and cook 5 to 7 minutes. Ready to serve. This recipe is really nice to eat with paratha or white rice. Subscribe and support my channel. If you like this recipe, share your friends and families. Thank you for watching.